Hi everyone, a quick video for you about how to set up a shared folder in Google Drive. So as you can see here, I am on the main My Blackboard page on the My UALR website. I've just logged in. I'm not in any course. I'm just at the top level page. And if you haven't seen this before, there are these quick links in the upper left-hand corner. And one of them, the third one down, says Google Docs. So if you click on the Google Docs link, that takes you to your main UA Little Rock Google Drive folder. Let me make this a little bigger for you. Now, as I've said before, if you're like me, you probably have multiple Google Gmail accounts. And so what you need to do is make sure you're logged into the right account. If you came in the way I just did through Blackboard, you are already logged in. But look for the Little Rock logo in the upper left-hand corner. I happen to have like 5 different Gmail accounts, and so I'm constantly having to log out of one and log it back into another to make sure I'm in the right place. But you want to be working in your UALR Gmail Google Drive folder. This is a massive, basically it's a filing cabinet for digital files. And what we want to do for the course is create a shared folder. So if you haven't used Google Drive much, there won't be a lot of files here. I've used it a lot for several years, so I have a ton of stuff. But you may find that there's nothing here. It doesn't matter. The process is the same. What you want to look for is the blue button that says New, upper left-hand corner, and you click New Folder. It's the first option under. Once you click New, it opens a drop-down menu, and all you want to create is a folder. We're just creating a folder. We're not putting anything in it. We just make a folder, and then you call it your name and course number, RET 7372. Really, that's all you need. Just your name, your last name, and then the name of the course, RET 7372. Please put your last name first. If you have a common last name like Smith, put your first initial as well. I don't think we have any duplicate last names, but name the folder and then click the blue Create button. And now you can see there's the folder highlighted on the screen. It says Greer. That's the folder I just created. And you can do a couple of things with it. You should, first of all, whoops, now I entered the folder. You can see there's nothing there. Go back. The most important thing to do is share it with me. So in order to do that, you can highlight it, right click, and then it opens a drop down menu that says Share. And you want to add a name, add my name, MSGR, like that. I'm not going to share it with myself because that would probably break the universe. Google wouldn't know what to do if I'm sharing a file with myself. But you want to add me as a shared person in the folder. And then over here on this little pencil icon in the upper right, you want to make sure it says the first option, can organize, add, and edit. Not the second option, which says can view only. So you want to share the folder with me and give me the privileges to organize, add, and edit. That way I can put comments directly on your files in Google Drive. And that's all you need to do. You can add a note, hi, here's my file, and then hit send, and I will get a notification and I will have access to your shared folder. And then once you've shared the folder with me, anything that you drag into the folder, any document that any file that is stored in that folder is also shared with me as well. So because the container is shared, all of the contents within that container are also shared with me. So once you've set that up, you hit the send button and you're good to go. The other thing you can do is you can make a color for it. So if you decide, the default color is gray. So if you right click or control click on a Mac, change color, you can make it blue or pink or something just so you can find it easily. And then once I have all of your folders, I will nest them together in one big shared folder for the class. All right, so that's how to set up a shared folder in Google Drive. Please do that as soon as possible, and then make sure to save all of your work for the course in that same folder so we can both find it easily. Thanks.